Have you ever had one tiny accident that changed your whole day? That's exactly what happened to Bluey today. Bluey was running across the yard, Bingo chasing close behind. The grass was wet. The sun was hot. Everything felt normal. But then, whoosh! Bluey's paw slipped. She tumbled forward. Crash! Mud flying everywhere. Bingo shouted, "Bluey, are you okay?" And you, if your best friend fell, would you laugh or help? Bluey groaned, but then froze, because under the mud, something shiny, a hidden stone. She brushed it off. The ground shook. Boom! A glowing crack opened. Bingo gasped, "Bluey, what did you do?" They leaned closer. The crack pulsed like light. Without warning, Bluey slipped again, right inside. Bingo shrieked, "Wait for me!" She jumped after. Whoosh! Both disappeared. Suddenly they were sliding down a glowing tunnel. Faster, faster. The walls sparkled like stars. Bingo screamed. Bluey laughed. And you? Would you close your eyes or scream with joy? They landed with a thud in a secret cave. Crystals glowing, rivers of light flowing. In the middle, a giant stone door. Bluey whispered, "My slip brought us here." Bingo pointed, strange paw prints glowing on the floor. "It wants us to follow." They stepped carefully, each paw print lighting the way, until the door rumbled open. Inside, treasures, maps, and a crown shining. But then, the cave shook again. Rocks falling, the river of light rising. Bluey shouted, "Grab the crown, Bingo! Hurry!" They ran. Splash! Just escaping. Whoosh! Back in their yard, covered in mud again. Bluey held up the crown, still glowing. Bingo's eyes sparkled. So slipping wasn't just an accident. Bluey grinned wide. Best slip ever. That night, the crown pulsed softly by their bed. A voice whispered, "The door will open again when the time is right." Bluey and Bingo stared wide-eyed. And you? What do you think? Was it luck? Or destiny? And maybe today, your own little accident could lead to a great adventure too. If you don't want to miss what happens next, make sure you subscribe and like this video.